How to delete a sent email in Outlook before recipient reads. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Open any web browser. Now navigate to search bar. Type in outlook.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Now sign in to your account. You can compose your email by adding the from, to and subject and hit the send. After that, you can easily go to the sent item folders at bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on the email you want to recall. Click on Move, then select Accents. From the list, choose Recall this message. A pop-up will appear with two options. Delete unread copies of this message or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Select the option you prefer, then click on OK. And that's how you can easily delete a sent email in Outlook before the recipient reads. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.